Types of adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes or quantifies or identifies a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives modify nouns. In other words, an adjective gives more information, adds details, and describes a noun. Adjectives of quality are called descriptive adjectives. They tell what kind of a noun. For example, cool, blue, etc. Adjectives of quantity are called quantitative adjectives. They tell how many of a noun. For example, one, several, etc. Adjectives that say which ones are called demonstrative adjectives. For example, this, that, these, and those. Adjectives can be attributive or predicative. An adjective that comes before the noun it describes is called an attributive adjective. For example, he is a funny clown. In this sentence, funny is an attributive adjective. An adjective which comes after a linking verb and describes the subject of the sentence is called a predicative adjective. For example, the clown was funny. In this sentence, funny is a predicative adjective. Adjectives made from proper nouns are called proper adjectives. They denote nationality, religious affiliation, or culture. Proper adjectives are capitalized. For example, a French citizen, a Hindu priest, etc. What, which, and whose are question words used as interrogative adjectives when they are placed before the noun they modify. For example, whose key was lost? Interrogative adjectives do not stand alone. Each, every, either, and neither are called distributive adjectives. These words refer to each object or member of a group. Distributive adjectives are used with singular nouns and placed before the noun. Every suggests all, but individually so. Each suggests everyone. Either implies one or the other of two options. Neither implies none of the two options. For example, we have every chance to win the trophy. Each dress is beautiful. Either boy will be selected for the final competition. Neither girl is wearing shoes.